This is really good. I know. That's sad. Feels like we're moving it. Now I feel like it's a new house.
Yes, ma'am.
It's a new house.
Yeah, now you have plenty of room for the other two
You're
tables.
right. And the table.
That's true.
And you know the best part, the two best parts. I'm gonna see if you guys notice.
What?
No dust.
I see.
I noticed.
Because I was thinking, because at first I thought.
Yep. Remember you asked me, did you have to tape stuff up?
Yeah,
And I told you no.
do we need to cover
Yep.
stuff up and
Yep.
put it, yep.
And number two, done in one day.
That's right.
Yeah. Amazing.
So that- 'cause
And
we-
furniture goes back the same.
We
Yep.
get a hotel.
We had to get a
room.
hotel. We had a hotel
Stay
for like
a
2
couple
or 3
days.
days.
Talking about when you got it done last time? Yep.
We had
Yep.
to our house in Birmingham.
Yep.
Yeah. We were in a hotel for 3, I think
That,
2 or 3 nights.
that's why people love this UV Cure, because
Hey, what's
furniture
up,
go
guys?
back.
Happy
back on the
Wednesday.
floors.
Today is March the 19th. We are out here in the city of Atlanta, and we are going to be working up in the Four Seasons. This is a penthouse condo we're going to be doing for Mr. Jones. Mr. Jones found me online. I did come out here and do a paid in-home paid consultation. He said he had another company coming out, but he said, Courtney, after you left, me and my wife has already decided we were going to go with you. So what we're going to be doing here today, guys, we're just getting all of our equipment out, because what we're doing, we're at the loading dock. And then once we get all of our equipment out, I'm going to park across the street and pay for parking. And we're going to be doing a 1,600 square feet screen recoat with UV Cure. And then while I'm out here, I had another consultation that came in yesterday just on 4th Street. And then when we're done, we got to go do another consultation in Houston, Georgia, going back to Gwinnett. Then I had 2 more inquiries come in this morning. So yeah, guys, it is extremely busy, but that's a good thing. So again, we're going to go ahead and get our equipment out. I've already got the contractor's key to get up and down the elevator. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we are up here on the 43rd floor. As you can see, Mr. Tony and his wife, Miss Evelyn, they just left. And like I said, I came out here and did a consultation last week, and they said, Courtney, we had another company coming out, but after just you know, your consultation, after you left, we said we knew we were going to use you, and they approved the estimate. And so let me show you guys what we're going to be doing. All right. Alrighty, so about 1,600 square feet, screen recoat, UV Cure. They are going with a satin finish. Just bought this beautiful property. All right. So we're going to be doing this area right here. This area right here. Are these closets? This washer. All right. This main living room area. This bedroom right here. Do we have light in here? No, we don't have much light. Maybe over here. Okay. And right between here and then going out the front door. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started with the Mr. Tony and Miss Evelyn just left. Say, Courtney, call us when you're done. Like I said, man, when you have a good reputation, these type of clients, they expect a certain professionalism. And when they have that, they realize they don't have to watch you and be here. And I'm glad that I have had the opportunity to work for clients like this that can help me build that reputation. All right, guys, stay tuned. Got these floors screened down really good. Just got through doing the clean and tacking. All right, I picked up another consultation today in Peachtree, Dunwoody area. Say, find me on Google. I went to my website. So I'm going to shoot out there after I do the next consultation on 4th Street. Because we want to let this sit for about 2.5, 3 hours before we cure it. But guys, these floors came out amazing with the screening. Only thing I did see, where is it at? I don't know what that is, but that was there prior. I don't like a grease stain or something. But overall, guys, floors look great. So we're gonna let this dry. Then we're gonna go ahead and get the rag coat down. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, guys, stay tuned.
All right, guys, we just got back. Went and did a 2 consultations. One was right in up the road on 4th Street, and then we went to Peachtree Industrial and did not Peachtree Industrial, Peachtree Dunwoody and did one. Mike going to have to squeeze that one in for next week. But guys, look at these floors. Look at that beautiful satin rag coat finish. So I've already UV cured this room right here. All right. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Then this hallway. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish UV curing this. I have a ride-along coming in tomorrow and also another one Friday and Saturday, masters. And then I told my client to be back about 4:45, 5 o'clock. Right now it's about 4:20. So we'll be finishing up with the UV cure by the time they get here to see these beautiful floors. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys. How does that look? Thank you. That satin sheen is a beautiful sheen. Yes. Yep. So we're just I'm done with the UV. I wanted you guys to see this. Or you saw it in the videos. Yep. Yep. Yeah. You good? It's cured. Yep. It's done.
I tell you, wow. Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm glad we went with that sheen.
Yep.
Wow.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Courtney, I tell you.
If the wife is happy, you know everybody else happy.
You know, I was telling her, I said, look at Todd, she's a nice place. You don't want, you buy some nice furniture.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
And then you don't want the floor to take away.
Yes.
It's not the
Yep.
answer to it.
That's true. Oh, it totally does. It looks fantastic.
I'm glad we didn't go with that flat finish.
Yep.
And even these areas where we are
Yes,
talking about,
yep.
it looks so much better.
Yes.
I'm telling you. Wow.
So when I walked through the door, there's an area over there that's kind of stuffed up.
Yeah.
Yep.
I was even looking at that.
Yep. It's going. There you go. It's going.
It's gone. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. All right, guys. I am done. Mr. and Mrs. Jones just got back. They love the floors. They love it.
Oh yeah, man. Awesome.
That came. Thank you.
Yeah.
It's so, it does. It just looks so nice. And it's so, the consistency is just right there.
Yep.
The whole thing.
Yes.
It just shows as one unified piece.
Yes, ma'am.
It really does.
All right, guys. That's it. Another happy client. We are done. We're about to go do our last consultation for the day. So today was this project. Nice project. And then we did 2 consultations and we're about to go do our last one. All right, guys. What more can I say? Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Tony.
Yeah, you mind? She won't take, I don't think it's going to take very long.